Our planet's waters teem with an astonishing diversity of fish, each species uniquely adapted to its environment. From the vibrant coral reefs of the tropics to the icy depths of the polar seas, fish occupy nearly every aquatic habitat imaginable. They come in a dazzling array of shapes, sizes, and colors, showcasing the wonders of evolution. This essay will explore the fascinating life cycle of fish, from the tiny egg to the mature adult. We'll delve into the challenges and triumphs they face at each stage, highlighting their remarkable adaptations and ecological importance. Fish play crucial roles in maintaining the balance of aquatic ecosystems. They serve as both predator and prey, influencing the populations of other organisms. Their feeding habits help regulate the growth of algae and other aquatic plants, preventing overgrowth and maintaining water clarity. Fish also contribute to nutrient cycling, releasing essential nutrients back into the ecosystem. Understanding their life cycle is key to appreciating their intricate connections to the environment. Some fish, like salmon, undertake incredible migrations, traveling thousands of miles from the ocean to freshwater rivers to spawn. Others, like the anglerfish, have evolved bizarre adaptations for attracting prey in the dark depths of the ocean. From the smallest goby to the largest whale shark, fish have captivated humans for centuries, inspiring awe and wonder. By understanding their life cycle, we can gain a deeper appreciation for the delicate balance of aquatic ecosystems and the importance of conservation efforts to protect these vital habitats. The life of a fish begins as a tiny egg, a fragile vessel containing the potential for a new life. Fish eggs come in a variety of shapes and sizes, from tiny spheres to elongated ovals. Some are transparent while others are brightly colored, often camouflaged to blend in with their surroundings. The egg stage is a period of rapid development as the embryo within grows and prepares for its entry into the world. The environment in which the eggs are laid plays a crucial role in their survival. Some fish, like salmon, lay their eggs in freshwater streams, while others, like tuna, release their eggs into the open ocean. The temperature, salinity, and oxygen levels of the water all influence the development of the eggs. Many fish species exhibit remarkable parental care, guarding their eggs from predators and ensuring they have access to oxygenated water. Some fish even build nests or carry their eggs in their mouths until they hatch. The outer layer of the egg, called the chorion, provides protection and allows for gas exchange, essential for the developing embryo. Inside the egg, the yolk sac provides nourishment, fueling the embryo's growth. As the embryo develops, it gradually consumes the yolk, transforming into a tiny larva, ready to hatch. Once the embryo has fully developed, it hatches from the egg, emerging as a tiny larva. The larval stage is a period of immense vulnerability, as the larvae are small, fragile, and often lacking the ability to swim effectively. They drift with the currents, at the mercy of the ocean's whims, facing the constant threat of predation. Survival at this stage is a true test of resilience. Larvae rely on their yolk sac for nourishment during the initial days after hatching. As the yolk sac depletes, they begin to feed on microscopic plankton, tiny organisms drifting in the water column. Their diet gradually shifts to larger zooplankton as they grow, fueling their rapid development. The larval stage is characterized by rapid growth and metamorphosis. The larva's body undergoes a series of transformations, developing fins, scales, and other essential features. As the larva grows, it becomes more capable of swimming and navigating its environment, increasing its chances of survival. The larvae that survive this perilous journey are the ones that will go on to become juveniles, continuing the cycle of life. The juvenile stage marks a period of significant growth and development. The young fish, now resembling miniature versions of their adult forms, begin to explore their surroundings and develop essential survival skills. They learn to navigate their environment, find food, and avoid predators, honing the skills that will determine their success as adults. Juveniles often seek shelter in seagrass beds, kelp forests, or coral reefs, finding protection from larger predators. These habitats provide a safe haven where they can grow and develop, while also offering abundant food sources. As juveniles grow, their diet continues to diversify. Some species become specialized feeders, focusing on specific types of prey, while others remain generalists, consuming a variety of food sources. Their feeding habits play a crucial role in shaping the structure of aquatic communities. The interplay between predator and prey drives the dynamics of these ecosystems. Young fish learn to recognize potential threats and develop strategies for avoiding predation. This period of growth and development is essential for preparing them for the challenges and opportunities of adulthood. Section 5. The adult stage: reproduction and survival. The adult stage is the culmination of the fish's life cycle, a time of reproduction and the fulfillment of their ecological roles. Adult fish exhibit a wide range of behaviors, from complex courtship rituals to elaborate nest building. Their primary focus shifts to ensuring the survival of their offspring, perpetuating the cycle of life. Fish employ a variety of reproductive strategies, from external fertilization, where eggs and sperm are released into the water, to internal fertilization, where the male deposits sperm directly into the female. The timing and location of spawning are often synchronized with environmental cues, such as water temperature and lunar cycles. As predators, they regulate the populations of smaller fish and invertebrates, preventing overgrazing of algae and other aquatic plants. As prey, they provide sustenance for larger predators, contributing to the flow of energy through the food web. Adult fish also contribute to nutrient cycling, releasing essential nutrients back into the ecosystem through their waste products. The health and stability of these ecosystems depend on the continued success of adult fish populations. Section 6. Senescence, the final chapter. Senescence, the final stage of the fish life cycle, is characterized by a decline in physiological function and an increased susceptibility to disease and predation. As fish age, their growth slows, their reproductive output decreases, and their ability to respond to environmental stressors diminishes. This natural process of aging is an inevitable part of life. Aging fish contribute to the food web, providing sustenance for scavengers and decomposers. Their bodies release nutrients back into the environment, enriching the water and supporting the growth of new life. The lifespan of fish varies greatly depending on the species. Some small fish may live for only a year or two, while others, like sturgeon, can live for over a century. The end of a fish's life marks the completion of its individual journey, but it also represents the continuation of the cycle of life. The nutrients released from their bodies nourish the next generation, ensuring the perpetuation of the species and the health of the aquatic ecosystem. Section 7. The importance of seaweed, a fishy tale. Seaweed plays a vital role in the lives of many fish species, providing food, shelter, and breeding grounds. Kelp forests, vast underwater ecosystems dominated by large brown algae, offer a haven for a wide variety of fish, from tiny invertebrates to large predatory sharks. The intricate structure of kelp forests creates a complex habitat that supports a rich diversity of life. Seaweed provides a rich source of food for many herbivorous fish, such as parrotfish and surgeonfish. These fish graze on the algae, helping to control its growth and maintain the health of the kelp forest ecosystem. Seaweed also serves as a nursery ground for many fish species. The dense vegetation provides shelter for juvenile fish, protecting them from predators and providing ample food resources. Seaweed absorbs nutrients from the water, helping to prevent algal blooms and maintain clarity. Seaweed also produces oxygen through photosynthesis, contributing to the oxygenation of the water and supporting the respiration of aquatic life. Section 8. Feeding habits, from plankton to predators. Fish exhibit a remarkable diversity of feeding habits, reflecting their adaptation to different environments and food sources. Some fish are herbivores, grazing on algae and other aquatic plants. Others are carnivores, preying on smaller fish, invertebrates, and other animals. Still others are omnivores, consuming a variety of both plant and animal matter. Filter feeders, such as whale sharks and basking sharks, strain vast quantities of water through their gills, capturing tiny plankton and other microscopic organisms. Predatory fish, such as sharks, tuna, and groupers, have evolved sharp teeth and powerful jaws for capturing and consuming their prey. Their hunting strategies vary widely, from ambush predation to active pursuit. The feeding habits of fish play a critical role in shaping the structure and function of aquatic ecosystems. Understanding these interactions is essential for maintaining the health and stability of aquatic ecosystems. Section 9. Growth and development, a continuous process. Growth and development are continuous processes throughout a fish's life cycle, influenced by a variety of factors, including food availability, water temperature, and environmental conditions. Fish grow by increasing in size and weight, while development involves the differentiation of tissues and organs, and the acquisition of new skills and behaviors. The rate of growth varies greatly among different fish species. Some fish, such as tuna, grow rapidly, reaching maturity in a few years. Others, such as sturgeon, grow slowly, taking decades to reach their full size. As fish develop, they acquire new skills and behaviors such as swimming, feeding, and avoiding predators. These developmental changes prepare them for the challenges and opportunities of adulthood.